What's up, Dragon Ninjas? Today I'll be making a dragon and a ninja for my gaming channel, icon and banner. And I do hope you guys enjoy this drawing. And I didn't put that much effort into it because it was just for the gaming channel icon. I just decided that I just wanted to share it on my main channel, see how you guys liked it, and maybe it can teach you a few things about drawing a dragon and a ninja. I'm honestly not that good with human proportions, so might not get that many pointers off the ninja, but with the dragon, I've been drawing dragons for a while, so I mean I'm okay with their proportions or whatever, but I'm still learning. Hopefully I do get better in the future, but yeah, I do hope you guys enjoy the drawing, and yeah. Right now I'm just starting off with something pretty simple, just doing the dragon's pose, see if I like it. I didn't really like the controller on the front because it didn't really make sense. You can't really hold a controller facing forward when you're posed like that, so I do change it to his other arm, which I would say is his right hand, and that's what I did. As you can see at the bottom left where my phone is, I've actually used my own reference to help me. I think that's a pretty good guide. If you want to get a proportion right, just take a picture of yourself of whatever you're trying to draw, and I think it could really help with the proportions. Alright, here's me starting with a ninja. I normally don't do this, but I've been doing it a lot more ever since like I've gotten more like a bit serious into art. I've actually like drawn like a stick figure like shape of the design pose that I wanted, and then I expand from there, and hopefully the proportioning turns out a bit better than what it normally does, because like back in the day I just used to start from a random spot, no like real proportions, and they never turned out correct. Hopefully this does make it better. Finally done with the drawing and sketching of the characters, and hopefully this looks nice to y'all, and you guys actually enjoy it. Looks pretty good to me so far. I would improve the dragon a little bit, but you know, it's not so that serious, but you know, it's looking pretty good. The color, hopefully it makes it look even better. I do enjoy the sketch of the color so far, but the color is making it come along a lot better. Alright, so I'm basically about done the dragon, and I just tried a little bit of shading. I'm actually not even that good at shading. This is like first couple of times. I don't do shading that often. Hopefully it doesn't look that bad. I just put shade wherever there's like another figure in front of it. I just put shade behind it like it would be in real life, right? So I did that. Hopefully it made it come along a lot better. And now I'm doing the background. I was gonna finish it without the background, but I was thinking it kind of needed some more, so yeah. I also decided to just go for a sunset. I didn't want it to be dark because the dragon already has a lot of black. I didn't want it to be broad daylight. I felt like that'd be kind of boring because it'd just be blue. But sunset has a lot of colors. Though there is a bit of red, it isn't like that close to the red, so it didn't mush it in. And I do really like sunset, so I decided to pick that. Alright, that about wraps up the video. Be sure to burn the like, subscribe, and later, Dragon Ninjas.